4-day work week a dream or a possibility? Remember when Bernie Sanders proposed a 32-hour work week? Most meeting planners, notorious for their long hours, probably just sighed or giggled. But wait, what if they were wrong? What if a 4-day work week wasn't just a pipe dream, but a real possibility? France is a pioneer in the realm of shorter work weeks. Back in 2000, they implemented a 35-hour work week. And guess what? The world didn't end. In fact, they saw some pretty impressive results. French workers reported lower stress levels, improved work-life balance, and even higher productivity. Now let's address the elephant in the room. Many companies are hesitant to embrace a 4-day work week because they're worried about the impact on productivity and the bottom line. Technology can play a huge role in streamlining workflows and automating tasks, freeing up employees to focus on more strategic, high-value work. And let's not forget about the human benefits of a shorter work week: increased employee morale, reduced turnover, and a more engaged and productive workforce. For more productivity tips to make the most of whatever length works for you and your team, visit smartmeetings.com.